Guys, Nicole part 2. I totally didn't even notice that there were 2 boxes marked Nicole. And I was getting really upset. I'm like, why are all of these larges and extra larges into it? I mean, I don't tell you the size, right? So part 2. Woohoo! Let's open this. Da, 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 da. Hey, I did it on the first try. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I sing to myself. If it annoys you, I don't care. Da, da, da. Okay. Navy with red and light blue zigzaggy polka dots. Red stuff, more salmon stuff. Ooh, this one's like the other part, but it's let me see. I mean, yeah. Stay still, Johnny.
You stay still first.
You stay still.
You stay still.
You stay still. Black. I think it's black. Okay, just a second. Yes, totally black. And look at all the pretty red and blue and like a turquoise with the leaves. Oh, super pretty. Okay. I'm excited. These are all like getting close to my size. There's that zigzag kind of like paint print again.